Hey Michael, thank you for requesting this video today. Today I want to talk about Swift restoration, but before we get into that, I do want to point out the three different ways on how you can be found from your customers on Google. So let's take a quick look at that before we get started. Now, there's three different ways on how you can be found. Way number one is the sponsored area. Now, this is a service that you pay Google for your sponsors to end up on this top. It's not here. Second way on how you can be found is your Google Business profile. When it's optimized in full, along with citations, then we can end up here in the water damage experts. And have you mind, this is when a customer would type in water damage restoration San Jose, for example. So now, the third way I know you could be found is Yelp, or excuse me, up here in what we call the organic sections. Now, Yelp has the top position here. ATI Restoration is the second, and WaterDamageRecovery.net is third. Now, ATI Restoration is your competitor here in San Jose. Keep in mind that a quick note that we can beat Yelp because these guys are pushing nationally and we need to push locally like ATI Restoration. So we need to do what they're doing and then some. With that, in a nutshell, that's pretty much the three different ways on how you can be found on Google. So with that, let's get started. Let's look at your Swift Restoration website and how it looks. Now, I like how you have your logo in the top left-hand section. You got your 24/7 response here. You have your call for immediate assistance here, and also you have a drop down here of your services, and you can target any of these, by the way, and whatever we want to do. But what you do want to keep in mind is that content is king. Google really loves content, and Google really loves for right now, they want about 1,500 to 2,000 words of content just on your homepage alone. Now, you kind of want that embedded with some certain keywords, so that way, um, when they get indexed, you can also um, your website will be found a lot easier with when you optimize in that way. So let's take a quick look. You do have some photos here with no content, so you have zero content on your website, which is okay. I mean, you'd have to beef it up if that's what you would like to do. Excuse me. So, with that, let's take a quick look at your competitor's website. Now, as you can see, they were here on the second slot of Google. So, let's take a quick look at your competitor, which is ATI Restoration. Now, they have pretty much the same type where their logo's up here on the left. So, they have, let's see, they have a little bit of content here. But they only have, let's see, I don't see any keywords on theirs. So on their content, they have maybe 500 words of content, if that. They could definitely, if we definitely upgraded our content, we could put 1,500 words of content here, and we could set you up for the long game, so that way we can stay and keep you at the top. But as far as it goes, I mean, as well, these guys need to work on their content. They do not have much. So, as far as content goes, remember 1,500 to 2,000 words of content. Now, the next couple things I want to discuss is I do want to talk about backlinks and keywords and how important they are. Now, as I mentioned in your content, it's good to put keywords in your content, but I did not mention Google really loves content at least every 250 words. So you want to embed that in your content as well. And so with that, let's get started with keywords and backlinks. So this right here is a tool. It's called Ahrefs, and Google really looks. This is how Google looks at your website. So this is a live view, if you will, an overview, bird's eye view of what your website looks like. So this is your trust right here, and this right here is your excuse me. This is your power. This is your trust. So the UR is your trust of your website that Google has. So you don't have very much power, as you could see, and it could be from the content, and it could be also in how many backlinks, organic backlinks, that are going to your account, or excuse me, to your website. So you are pulling in 106 traffic, you have 129 keywords. So let's take a quick look. We have access. As you can see, these are the organic keywords that we are pulling up for your website that Google is looking at. So this is what you are using. This is the volume, your search volume. So we can definitely pick and choose what keywords you want for your website. Although because it is an investment, and you want to protect and optimize your investments so that way you can be very optimal in utilizing everything that you put your money into. So with that, let's take a quick look at ATI Restoration on what their backlink profile looks like. So they have a 47 trust, or excuse me, 47 power, 25% trust. Now there's a scale of 100. They have a whopping 7.2K traffic going to their website. So in a nutshell, this is kind of what we would like to do is what we would have to do is do what they're doing and then some to beat these guys. And so in a nutshell, that's pretty much it, what I have for you as far as backlinks. And not all backlinks are created equal. I mean, they have 5,000 backlinks. Now, all of them may or may not be organic, we do not know, but as long as we can start getting yours with organic backlinks, we can push power to your website and surpass these guys. So let's do a quick recap. So again, the 3 different ways in how you could be found by Google is the sponsored guaranteed, or the sponsored with ads will land you up here. So what you want to do is get 30% of your business for your Google business profile. All we have to do is beef that up with citations, optimize it, do it what the water damage experts are doing, and then some. To land 70% of your business, you'd have to land up here. Like I said, we could beat Yelp. They are pushing at a national level, so all we got to do is push at a level that are in your area, which is San Jose. So we want to land you on these top 3 positions. So that way 70% of your business will be acquired through these top 3 slots. With that, I hope this information is good so that you can utilize this information if you so choose. This is free information, Michael. But if you need a guide to help you in your journey, feel free to contact me. My name is Joshua. I'm with Peterson SEO. You can reach me at 505-331-7995, or you can reach me at joshua@petersonseoconsulting.com. Michael, I hope the rest of your day is good to you and hope to hear from you soon. Thank you so much. Bye-bye now.